Hi, it's Alan from Garden Safety, the shoes factory located in China. Today we will introduce a very popular product which belongs to our sub-brand AZXPROT, a brand focusing on durable and versatile high-top shoes. I will cover the design and craftsmanship, the most importantly how they held up over 4 seasons of wear. So let's get into it. The AZX552 6 inches boot is a construction boot that's stylish enough for everyday wear. Genuine cowhide leather that's preventing water from penetrating into the feet due to delayed water splashing. The inner waterproof sock cover inside is another insurance against the waterproofing of this boot. It is made of special fibers to ensure that the boot is isolated by inner waterproof sock cover when it seeps into the water due to special environments. As a sleek and lightweight boot, the feature for standard are light followed by 3 speed hooks and finish off with a single groove mat. The speed hooks aid and easy lacing and make heel lock lacing a breeze. This is my personal favorite way to lace up boots or shoes when hiking because it locks the heel in place, preventing heel slippage. Additionally, the boots have a flat sole as the opposite to separated heel, which makes it easy to maneuver around a construction site. Goodyear Wheelcraft EVA and rubber composite sole provides better abrasion resistance than a full EVA sole without losing the softness and the cushioning of EVA, so comfortable for working on concrete all day. In the end, if you are a warehouse worker or a person who travels a lot, it's hard to go wrong with AZXPROT. Try a pair of AZX552 and see for yourself at Amazon online shop or find them on our official website, charitygarden.com.